Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to fix the problem with your Blu-ray. There is a very popular problem with your PS4 that you have a problem your Blu-ray doesn't want to enter the CD here. There is a bug. I searched for plenty of ways that I option that want to repair the console, and I find the problem. First of all, you need to try to get the new software in your console. Try to factory reset your console. I will show you the link on the end of this video here, how to factory it. If the factory doesn't work, I will show you how to flash the firmware with the new software with USB stick, and I will show you to the next video. I'm gonna put it right here on the end of the video, and that is the fix with the problem. When you flash your console with the new firmware, your CD gonna be work. I hope the video is helpful for you. You can leave like, leave comment, and see you by next video. Hey!